Masterpiece Cake Shop owner Jack Phillips out of Colorado. He is back in court once again. Why? For refusing to bake another cake that violates his religious beliefs. I got a full breakdown coming for you guys, but first, really quick, do me a big favor if you can. Give this video a like. I want to get the likes way up on this video. Share this video across all your platforms. That really helps me spread the word, especially since YouTube isn't giving you guys the alerts hardly anymore when I post these videos. Subscribe to the channel here if you're brand new. And guys, also, if you enjoy my daily content, would you consider sponsoring the channel for $5 a month or more? You could do so by going to patreon.com/conservativetruth. Check the pretty link. It's right down there in the description. It'll take you right there. You could sign up for $5 a month or more. You're going to get access to all of my podcasts that I do, where I talk more about sensitive information that I can never really talk about here on YouTube. They would shut me down if I even tried to do it, okay? I break things down over there more in long form. There is great podcasts up there right now that you guys do not want to miss. This is great information. All my Patreon members, you guys know exactly what I am talking about. I want to send, a big thank you out to all of you. You guys are great for what you do, helping me out on that platform. Unlike YouTube, they're demonetizing my videos, trying to take me down left and right. Look at me, guys. I'm a blind fat guy, for crying out loud. What kind of a threat could I possibly be to YouTube? I'm just trying to bring you guys the news and events that are happening here in the last days, like Mr. Jack Phillips. You guys remember the landmark Supreme Court case back in 2018? Jack Phillips won this from when back in all the way in 2012. He refused to bake a cake for a same-sex couple. Now, back then, you got to remember in 2012, the Supreme Court, they hadn't changed the definition of marriage yet. So it was still between a man and a woman, not even in the state of Colorado, was even at the state level yet. So this litigation went on for 6 years. But finally, after all of that, Jack lost over 40% of his business, all the threats that he was getting. They wanted to put him out of business. That's exactly what they wanted to do. Supreme Court ruled in his favor, and he was finally able to get back to work. But now another lawsuit. Why? Oh, because some lawyer by the name of Autumn Scardina called up Masterpiece Cake Shop and said that they were having a transgender coming out party, a birthday cake they wanted Jack to make. And he told Autumn the same thing he told everybody else. I'm not going to make this cake for you. It goes against my religious beliefs. It's the whole reason that he went to the Supreme Court and took that case up there in the first place. But Autumn, on the other hand, who also happens to be a lawyer and transgender activist, okay, has said otherwise and said that, no, during your case, Supreme Court, you said that you would serve cakes to those who were in the LGBT community, which was true. He will serve to anybody in any LGBT community or whatever. But he says he's not going to make any cake that violates his beliefs. And in this case, making a cake to celebrate, somebody who's now calling themselves transgender, by the way, not even going to the surgery. He says, no, I'm not going to do that. He's going to serve you. You want to do a regular cake, he can do that for you. But he's not going to affirm your lifestyle decisions when it, conflicts with his religious beliefs. So open arguments of this lawsuit went on today in a court in Colorado. So we will wait and see where this all goes from here. He's being represented by Alliance Defending Freedom. In fact, they are calling for this lawsuit just to be completely thrown out. I think there's a great chance that if it doesn't get thrown out, I think it has to carry on. I think Jack's going to win this, but I just feel so bad for this guy. All he wants to do is just use his creativity to make cakes. That's all he wants to be able to do. But it's like this guy has to live half of his life in a courtroom because you got these LGBT bullies who want to do nothing more than try to shut him down. I think ultimately this is what this is all about. They can go get their cake from anywhere. They don't have to go to him. Okay, they know about Masterpiece Cake Shop now. So of course they want to go there. They want to order from there because they want to put him in that position to where, he would maybe have to try to, think about compromising his faith. And if he chooses to remain firm in it, they'll take him right back to court. So our prayers going out to Jack. Hopefully he can get this whole mess straightened out. This is just the sign of the times, guys, where we are. Jesus Christ is coming back soon. I'll put more information on this down below in the description section. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll be back with more. You guys take care. Please be safe out there. God bless each and every single one of you. And I'll talk with you soon.